Hi, it's Graham here at Neat, and today I want to show you how to get to the preview channel on Neat devices. And why might you want to do this? Well, we have a new feature called BYOD mode, or USB pass-through. So this will enable you to try it out once it's in beta. So let's see how you get to it. So let's switch now to a bigger view and look at our touch panel. What we want to do is head into the More, into Settings, and then Device Settings, and into System, and you'll see Software Update. So we select that one, and we know we're up to date in the stable channel. So now let's go to our stable channel, select Preview, and click on Save. This will now look to see if there's any updates, any newer versions of firmware, and once that is detected, it will then download, and you get the option to install once ready. So let's let this download, take a few minutes, and I'll come back. Now we hit update, the device has rebooted. You can see we're now in the preview channel. So we have all the latest updates. Now to get to the most exciting new feature is the USB mode. So it is off by default and it still is in beta. So when I connect a USB cable to the device, it will then switch into that BYOD mode and that front of room display will change. So let's go and toggle that on. To enable BYOD mode, I can simply take my USB-C cable and plug that into my laptop. And now you can see the controller. I have control of my camera now, so I can do group framing or individual framing with neat symmetry. And then on the front of room display, it tells me I must connect my HDMI cable. Obviously I've got my other cable plugged in, so let's pop in my HDMI. And this will take over the screen and present my laptop. So again, if you're duplicating or extending your screen, you'll see whatever might be there. So for example, I can go into this meeting now. So I have a Google Meet, for example. What I'm able to do is then hit New Meeting. Let's start an instant meeting. You can hear the audio has just come out of the Neat bar. And here we have my Google Hangouts Meet with myself, Borat, and my friend and my tenant, and the camera is moving around framing us. So using neat symmetry inside Google Hangouts Meet. So there you go, there's a quick demo of what we're doing with BYOD and USB pass-through mode. And to exit, once you have finished your call, you simply disconnect. Once you've disconnected, you then remove your USB and HDMI. And then your room returns back to your native Microsoft Teams room. Any questions? Let us know.